everyone, welcome to Study Extraordinary. The career that we are going to start today will be genetics. Are you one of those souls who are interested in creating a cure to serious diseases and pandemics? Are you interested in studying the cell structures, DNA and genes? If yes, then genetics is the career to go for. Genetic engineers and researchers are the people who study with the creation, modification and generation of various types of genes and chromosomes. You would be using equipments like the microscopes, various type of scanners and different specialized computer softwares that will help you to study on long projects in related to genetics. Now coming up to the skills that you need to acquire for the career in genetics. The first one is the patience. You need patience to work on the projects that are prolonged. Secondly, an eye for detail. You need to be cautious about the tiny changes that are being made because they can bring you big results. The third one would be discipline and consistency. You need to work regularly on a same project for weeks, months or even years. The last but not the least is the problem solving attitude and creative thinking. Both of these are required to create solutions to big problems. Well, from the existence of life to its end, the genes will always be a topic of interest for all the human beings. You can start your career in genetics from a very basic scientific writer, then you can go for a researcher, then you can go for professorship in the field of genetics, a genetic consultant in both the private and public firms, or agri-genetic scientist if you are more into food and crop genes, and the last but not the least a very interesting career, that is a forensic scientist. Salary levels for the candidates in this field and the entry level might be as low as 2 to 3 lakhs per annum, but with an experience of 3 to 5 years, they can go up to 15 to 20 lakhs per annum. Also, if you have got a postdoc degree in this field, then you can get up the salary up to 25 lakhs per annum. Well, if you go abroad, then you can get the salaries in these ranges, which is higher as compared to India in the foreign currency. So, genetics is definitely a go-to career for all you aspiring candidates. So, the courses and degrees that you can follow to pursue a career in genetics will be the Bachelor's in Sciences, either a simple BSc, or you can get a specialization in microbiology, life sciences, genetics, applied genetics, genome, or even biochemistry. If you want to pursue a more technical career in genetics, then you can go for the Bachelor's in Technology in the field of genetic engineering or biotechnology at the graduate levels. For the masters or the postgraduate levels, you need to pursue a Master of Sciences in genetics, applied genetics or molecular biology. You can also go for the fields like lab technology or some other fields which are allied to biology. In the postgraduate level, if you are more inclined towards the corporate side or the engineering levels, then you can go for an MTech in genetic engineering or biotechnology. You can further go up in higher studies by pursuing a doctorate or a postdoc degree in genetics at various institutes in India as well as abroad. Apart from this, some institutes may offer diplomas or certificate courses as well in genetics. You can find some at Annamalai University, Tamil Nadu, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Pondicherry, University of Delhi, New Delhi and Banaras Hindu University, Uttar Pradesh for some courses in lab technology, seed production and plant genomes. For full-fledged bachelor's and master's degree in genetics and allied sciences, you can pursue your studies at the following universities: University of Delhi, New Delhi, University of Pune, University of Chennai, University of Kerala, Osmania University, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Punjab Agricultural University, Chaudhary Charan Singh Haryana Agricultural University and Banaras Hindu University. You can pursue a BTech and MTech degree in Genetic Engineering or Biotechnology at SRM Institute of Technology, Chennai, Aryabhatta Knowledge University, Patna, Bharat University, Chennai, different IITs like IIT Madras, Delhi, Jodhpur, Roorkee, Kharagpur and Guwahati. Different NITs like Allahabad, Rourkela, Calicut and Warangal. You can also go at Delhi Technical University, Vellore Institute of Technology, Manipal Institute of Technology and Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology. To get into these institutes at the graduate level, you need to score well in your 10+2 examinations because some institutes may offer you an admission on merit. While some may conduct their own entrance test, for BTech, you need to qualify the joint entrance examination. At the master's level, a valid GATE score is a must. Other than that, some universities may conduct their separate entrances or may take an interview. Some companies that may offer a job in genetics are Boston Biological, Panacea Biotech, LG Life Sciences, Bharat Biotech, Candela Pharmaceuticals, MQ Pharmaceuticals, Darter Cancer Genetics Limited, Swagene, May My Genome and Stemputics. You can check out these websites and your eligibility to apply to them in the description box below. Or I have also added the links to the various universities which you can check out in the description as well. I hope you have found this video very helpful in getting to know genetics a little better. So please share this video with all your aspiring friends to share this knowledge with them. Also like the video and subscribe to Study Extraordinary. See you soon in our next video with a new career very soon. Bye.